Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel OGBUKU, says the Commission, along with its entrepreneurial and skill acquisition programs, will continue to invest in education to boost sustainable development in the region. Dr. OGBUKU made this known last week during the 2024 edition of the NDDC-sponsored moot and mock trial competition for university law faculties in the Niger Delta region, which took place at the Port Harcourt campus of the Nigerian Law School.
In furtherance of its numerous youth and student empowerment schemes, the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, last week through its Directorate of Legal Services, held its annual moot and mock trial competition for law students in the Niger Delta region. The 2024 edition brought participants from 13 public and private universities from the region. They include the River State University, University of Uyo, Abia State University, Niger Delta University, University of Benin, and University of Port Harcourt. Others are the University of Calabar, Edwin Clark University, Delta State University, Benson Idahosa University, Ambrose Ali University, Arthur Jarvis University, and Imo State University. Among legal icons at the event were Chief Onweze Okocha, SAN, Chinonso Muozoba, who is the Deputy Director General and Head of Campus, Nigerian Law School, Port Harcourt Campus, Ayodeji Adedipe, SAN, and Damian Okoro, SAN. NDDC Director for Legal Affairs, Dr. Stephen Igomwaye, said the competition was intended to help the students develop practical legal trial skills.
Through the moot court competition, we bring together law students, future lawyers, from universities across the region in a healthy contest. The students discuss issues in environmental law, oil and gas law, legal innovations in the petroleum industry, and sustainable development with a view to offering solutions from a legal standpoint.
After arrival on the 5th of August 2024, the event got underway on August 6th at Dr. Nabo Graham Douglas campus of the Nigerian Law School in Port Harcourt, River State. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Commission, Dr. Samuel OGBUKU, in his address, said that the court trial competition is important in equipping young and aspiring lawyers in the Niger Delta region with the requisite skills and knowledge to excel in their chosen career path.
The critical, important role of legal education and the legal profession in shaping our nation's destiny cannot be overemphasized. So, to the participants of this year's moot court competition, as you gather together in healthy contest to examine the challenges of the Niger Delta region from the standpoint of law and legal issues in a competitive way, I charge you to engage in intellectual simulating arguments that highlights our peculiarities as a region and canvass solutions that will guide and shape future lawmaking that will facilitate the even, rapid, and sustainable development of our beloved region.
NDDC Governing Board Chairman Mr. Chiedu Ebie, who was also present at the event, reiterated the Commission's commitment to upgrading the skills and competencies of the youths in the region.
We will continue to do the things that we need to do to ensure that we make the right impact in the region in terms of human capital development, education, and all those things that we need to do to improve the quality of people that we produce from the regions.
Special guest of honor at the event, Chief OCJ Okocha, SAN, and 19th President of the Nigerian Bar Association, spoke on the pivotal role of the Niger Delta region in the overall development and prosperity of Nigeria. He, however, expressed worry about the ongoing proliferation of development agencies in the country.
This, I hope, should sound, what I would say, a caution to all concerned. There are things that should not be politicized. Niger Delta is still a special region in this country, and its development needs are so massive that nobody should whittle down the impacts that this commission can make in this our region.
With the competition in full gear, the panel of judges headed by Honorable Justice Prince Chikamini paid rapt attention to the students' presentations.
The critical decision as related to the nomination of the Board of Trustees.
And of course, notify our learned friends on the other side that we will be objecting to the jurisdiction of the courts during our final address.
After the final rounds, the judges also provided some feedback on the entire exercise.
The moment the adverse party does not raise objection, the document will automatically be admitted. It depends on the nature of the document. If it is a document that is inadmissible at all, under any circumstance, for example, a public document that ought to be certified, it's not certified, and then you're bringing the photocopy of the public document.
For their part, students like Ignatius Oplewu from the University of Calabar and Onwunka Blessing from Abia State University, who were lead counsels for their institutions, were full of appreciation to the Nddc for putting the competition together.
I believe that this arrangement is one that is very beneficial to students, law students, and just not law students alone, but non-law students that have the interest of the Niger Delta region at heart. And this is a good starting point.
Well, I just want to thank them for the Nddc for this program. The kind of reception we received was so warming. It was so nice.
At the end, the University of Calabar emerged winner of the Nddc 2024 Moot and Mock Trial competition, taking home a cash prize of 2 million naira and a fully funded 1-month internship at Okocha and Okocha Law Firm in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Imo State University followed closely in second place and received a prize of 1.5 million naira, while Rivers State University secured third place, earning them a reward of 1 million naira. The young aspiring lawyers were treated to a dinner by the Nddc before departing for their various universities. Niger Delta Development Commission, Nddc, making a difference.
Inside the Niger Delta,